Oh!
I'm ready for my apology now.
Nothing to do with apologizing. You were distracting me.
I am ready for my apology, please.
No, you're not getting one. I have a big e-penis because I spent fucking 4 hours wasting my time on a gauntlet.
The first job we need to do is to fill the engine up with coal.
What the fuck is this? What is going on?
Next, we need to oil the engine parts.
Oh my fucking god! This is bullshit.
Now we need to take the train out to the halt and be filling it with the water.
Yo! The platform is moving. Oh my god, no! Oh my god!
Okay, when I say go, fill it up, Pat. Go!
Oh my god, no!
Oops!
What happened? I couldn't. What? It didn't work! I was holding it the whole time, it didn't work! How is this my fucking fault? Fuck you.